Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to locate and restore Steam games that are already installed or backed up on your PC. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your game folder. First, search for File Explorer in the Start menu and open it. Click on this PC, then locate the drive where your Steam games are stored. For most people, it's in the C drive under Program Files, x86. Open the Steam folder, then Steam Apps, and finally Common. Here's where all your game files are stored. Step 2. Copy and rename the game folder. Find the folder for the game you want to restore. Right-click it. Select Copy, then paste it with Ctrl+V. You'll now have a copied version of the folder. Delete the original folder. Right-click the copy, choose Rename, and remove any copy tag or extra characters in the name. Step 3. Restore in Steam. Go back to Steam. Click Install for the game, and choose the same Steam drive where the folder is located. Steam will validate the files and finish quickly since the game files are already there, and that's it. Your game is now restored and ready to play. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.